Look at the brightness, the illumination of this moon. In this video, it looks like a star, doesn't it? A huge, beautiful star. This moon is called the harvest moon. And it's called the harvest moon because it allows farmers to harvest throughout the night. And this moon has to, of course, be shown close to the fall equinox, which was last month. And it's also the first supermoon of the year, and this is the end of the year. This is October the 5th. And it's called a supermoon because the distance, the orbit of the moon from the earth, the distance of it, has us seeing it so very closely. And this is also in scripture. It is the Feast of Trumpets. Yes. Nothing is by coincidence. Everything is by design. The Feast of Trumpets. And this is also considered, but some people see this opposite, but it's also considered in how I perceive scripture. This moon is the first moon, which makes it the first night of the 7th month. It's beautiful, isn't it? So my car will go off. Enjoy this night. Make a loud noise of praise. If you have a shofar below it, it is the first day of the 7th month, which is in the book of Leviticus, to keep as a memorial. I love you guys. I just had to share this moment. Shalom.